Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well during this third time. Today we're going to talk about Malawian currency, the Kwacha. Before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to never miss any update. So without any further ado, let's get started. Since 1971, the Kwacha is being used, replacing the Malawi pound. The Kwacha is subdivided into 100 tambalas. The new series of Malawian Kwacha includes 20 Kwacha, 50 Kwacha, 100 Kwacha, 200, 500 and 1000 Kwacha. The 2000 Kwacha banknote has not been updated yet. The rate stands at 1 Malawian Kwacha is equal to 0.1 Indian rupees. Other rates will be in the description. Today we are going to take a look at the 20 Kwacha banknote. Purple colored banknote represents social development and education of Malawi. A pile of books and a graduation cap in the back symbolizes availability of learning materials and high levels of education. In the front, the banknote features Lazalo Mkhuso Jede, RBM headquarters building with sun rising and shining over it, and a fish named Kalingono. This note was issued on 1st January 2014. In the back side, you can see the logo of RBM and MACHINGA Teachers Training College, what is now known as Domestic College of Education. In terms of security feature, this note has microprinting, raised printing, watermark and security thread. Personally, I really like this note. What's your opinion? Let me know in the comments below. So this is it for today. Hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please consider subscribing, like and share this video, and I will see you in the next one.